This is Waldo. He will be hiding from us today.
Sneaky. Where's Waldo? That sneaky little fella. There he is on top of the swing set. Oh no! I've lost Waldo again. I can't find him anywhere. Whoa! There he is.
Oh my god.
Oh my! We can't find Waldo any. Oh! Who's that? There he is! Biscuit, come on, Biscuit! Ah! Ah! Are you okay, Waldo? I got Waldo! Waldo, are you okay? Waldo not too long ago. He's made it through tough times and very. Waldo, are you okay? That was a pretty hard hit. Dang straight.
Oh no!
Waldo finally learned how to skateboard. See what?
Where's Waldo? Hey, who are you? Oh no. Oh no. No! Waldo!
It's pretty stormy out. That's some pretty big hail. Whoa, that's really big hail. I think it stopped.
Look at Waldo, he's on the pole. Oh no. Look at Waldo. Oh no! Waldo!